trail fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got one coming to you from our trip to Florida and back. This one we took on the way back up, stopped at Cordele, Georgia, caught Q514 on January 29th. 514 is a rice yard waycross train that makes its way north to Radnor Yard in Nashville, a manifest train. Got two locomotives up front, 4552, which is an SD70 Mac rebuild, and the first of the YN3C paint schemes that we've seen. YN3C has the CSX.com website address just below the CSX logo on the sides. It's also got 409 up front, which is an AC44CW. And then for a mid-train DPU, we've got 3422, which is an ET44AH. So we didn't get to video this crossing the diamond because of the way the train was coming to the north. We kind of filmed it coming at us, but you'll definitely hear it crossing over those two diamonds there. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, give us a thumbs up down below, please. Hit that like button. Also, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. We will be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.